How's it going, guys? This is Najam. Welcome back to another video. I bought this Linux laptop from Tuxedo Computers, which is a really nice laptop. But it does have two 2-watt stereo speakers which sound really tinny. I wasn't happy with the sound quality out of the speakers, especially since other laptop manufacturers like Apple, Razer or Alienware make really good built-in stereo speakers in their laptops. But the good thing about Linux is you can do almost anything on it. And I found a really cool piece of software which is really simple that allows you to EQ the speakers, and these 2-watt speakers in this laptop may not sound all that impressive spec-wise. They can actually give you pretty good sound out of the laptop. Here are some before and afters.
Taking a fair amount of damage while Razy's able to pick up that Mega. But he's zoned him, he kind of knows exactly what he's at. Razy down, is caught by the LG, hanging in the air catch up. Rafa was low, but he got himself the heavy. And already 3 frags up 2 minutes in. That's the kind of fight that you feel in your bones. Yeah, I'm really curious what Rafa's going to do. Immediately popping that dual wield over near the Mega. LG comes out. Rafa actually taking a fair amount of damage while Razy's able to pick up that Mega. But he's zoned him. He kind of knows exactly where he's at. And Razy down, is caught by the LG, hanging in the air catch up. Rafa was low, but he got himself the heavy. And already 3 frags up 2 minutes in. That's the kind of fight that you feel in your bones.
Now I'm using Pulse Audio, but this also does work with Pipewire. Now there is a very similar software for Pipewire, so you can get this for Pipewire as well, but because I'm using Pulse Audio, this will be a tutorial for Pulse Audio users. So if you go ahead and open up the terminal and type in sudo pacman s pulse audio equalizer lad spa, and you can go ahead and install this. To run this from the terminal, you type in pulse audio equalizer gtk, or if you got an application launcher like Wofi that I've got, you can just go ahead and type in Pulse Audio Equalizer. Now if you look at my configuration, you can notice that I've got the 2 bass frequencies on this equalizer. I've got them off, and that is because it reduces distortion from these speakers quite considerably, so I've just got them off. With these 2 off, I can get much higher volumes, and I do find that a bit more usable. Generally speaking, you want to just turn down the highs and just boost up the mids a little bit and the bass. But you can go ahead and play around with these to find the sound that you like. And if you want to copy mine, you can just go ahead and copy it. It's on the screen. And let's have a listen to before and afters using this.
With the introduction of gallium nitride chargers having a more efficient design at almost half the size of silicon-based chargers, we can pack more into one charger. And let's not forget that some manufacturers have stopped shipping chargers with new devices. And it also has the output specifications. On the back is where the power goes in, and it will provide the 100 watts it needs. On the top it has an LED display which displays the power measurements in real time when you plug in a device to charge. The display is easy on the eyes in dark and also in lit environments. On the front it has 2 USB-C ports.
And as you can tell, with the EQ on, it sounds so much better. It sounds really good. This laptop has stereo speakers and they sound really nice. It does have some sort of stereo depth as well, so the soundstage is pretty nice. And because the sound bounces off of the table, it does give you a slightly wider soundstage, and it does sound a bit more spacious. And I really like that. Now I'm pretty happy with the sound quality. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.